Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Blue color, red color, purple color, green color, orange color, chocolate color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: rectangle, triangle, square, pentagon, heart and star. First we're going to draw the shapes. Rectangle, triangle, square, pentagon, heart, star. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, rectangle, blue color, triangle, chocolate color, square, purple color, pentagon, red color, heart, orange color, star. What we learn? We learn green color, rectangle, blue color, triangle, chocolate color, square, purple color, pentagon, red color, heart, orange color, star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.